Hey, what's going on, everybody? Man, this is your boy Justin Kicks coming at you with a new episode. Been about a week or so since I put one up, and I'll be honest with you, man, with all this corona talk and being stuck in the house, I just really hadn't been motivated to put a video out in a while, but I'm back at you today. As you know, anybody that's in the sneaker community, over the last couple of weeks, with all the Nike stores being closed down, Foot Locker, Foot Action, everything's closed down basically, except Walmart, which stays packed all the time. There's been a ton of sneakers being put up online. Honestly been some great deals. I've been getting stuff I probably shouldn't be getting, but I'm stuck in the house and it is what it is. So today I'm coming at you with a review on a sneaker I had wanted when it first came out. But it was just too rich for my blood, and it was kind of a hybrid sneaker, a throwback to an original Air Max that I did love back in the day that I had multiple colors of, mixed with the new technology of the Vapor Max. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the sneaker, and we're gonna take a good look at it, and then I'm gonna give you a little quick on foot, and move on to the next, man. So let me go ahead and bust it open for you now. Nike Air Max Vapor Max 360. This shoe, the upper on this shoe, like I said, it's a older shoe mixed with the new technology. Came out around 2006, and I was a big fan of it. Had multiple colors of the shoe. This is one of the original colors, but I had like a green and yellow, the blue and gray, all black. This was a very popular shoe with me and my partner Ron Allen and Lonzo McGill. It was a spot in Richmond, Kentucky that had them for the low for whatever reason. It was like a soft shoe, someplace where you would never think they'd have anything good, but this spot had some good stuff in it. But as I said, let's go ahead and get into this one. This was the first time seeing this box, like I guess a bluish and black box with all the stuff that normally is on the bottom of the box on the top. But let's get here for what we came for, the shoe itself. There it is, the Air Max 360 Vapor Max. And as I said before, this shoe here, the upper, of course, is from the 2006 Air Max 360 version, and it's been mixed with the Vapor Max bottom, which I had one other pair of Vapor Max, and I didn't really like them. I never wore them, and just really got it because it was new technology and it looked good, but I never did wear them. And so I ended up getting rid of those. Actually, my partner gave them to his son because he liked them a lot at the time. But this one, when I saw that upper and original on there, it reminds me of like Ohio State colors. You know what I'm saying? So my nephews would be happy with that. They're big Ohio State fans. When I saw these originally, I was like, oh man, it looks just like the ones I love. But I wasn't going to pay that original payment. Let's see what the suggested retail. Suggested retail is $225 on these bad boys. And your man was not coming off for $225 for this one right here. Again, it's a beautiful shoe, and I know it's got the updated technology, but that $225 was just not going to happen for this shoe. So, like I said, I ended up getting it for it was like $125 before tax. So, like I said, close to $100 off on that shoe. So at that price, I couldn't wait to pick it up. Now I know a lot of the new Air Maxes and sneakers in general run kind of small, so I normally get a 13, but in these I went ahead and got a size 14. I just want to make sure they wasn't going to be too snug and make sure they was comfortable, man. But like I said, nothing really different to the shoe from the original version other than the Vapor Max bottom. It's got the clear bubbles on it, and those bubbles are thick, man. So like I said, I've never worn one before. So if you like the Vapor Max, or if you don't, give me your opinion on the Vapor Max technology in the comments. Let me know what you think about them. I plan on wearing these quite a bit. It's colors that I wear often, so I can wear these for work or just wear for every day. And the fact that I caught them on a discount and for the retail, way under retail, it won't be any problem. Just running through these pretty quick, man. So anyway, like I said, give me your opinions on these. But overall, it's a really, really good looking shoe. Like I said, I do want to give you an on foot and let you know how they feel. and we'll go from there. So let me do the on foot, and then I'll get back with you. All right, so as you can see, did a little quick on foot with them, man. They do feel pretty comfortable, man. I can tell where the air bubble is real stiff on those, and does seem like you're sitting up kind of high because that's a thick air bubble. But the upper is really soft. Like I said, it's just going to take some time to get them broken in, but I do like the way they look on foot. Look like you could wear them with, jeans, khakis, sweats, pretty much anything. Looks like it's an everyday shoe to me. And like I said, the color on it, red's one of my favorite colors. And then when you match that silver with it, it gives it that, like I said again, that Ohio State look to it. So that's a popular color combination. Prayers to everyone out there that's dealing with this virus right now, or has somebody in their family dealing with this virus. Just remember to try your best to stay safe. I know it's a lot of people out there that have jobs that don't allow them to stay at home. So, say prayers for their safety, and just make sure everyone's looking out for each other and taking care of themselves. Remember that just because you're not feeling bad, don't mean you can't pass it on to someone else, especially the elderly folks and the young children out there, man, because it's affecting everybody. But make sure you remember to like, subscribe, getting closer to that 1,000 subscribers, and when I say hit that 1,000, we're going to do that Nike gift card giveaway, man. So make sure you're locked in, make sure you're being an active follower, active subscriber. Comment, let me know what you think, let me know the things you want to see. I've been talking with my wife, and we're thinking about doing basically a top 10 Netflix top 10 things to watch on Netflix while you're under the quarantine, because people's running out of options. So anyway, man, this is your boy Justin Kicks. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna get out of here and talk to you next time, man. Peace.